In this video, we listed the 20 crazy kitchen gadgets best for cosplay on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Polychrome Foldable Nordic Style Pot Holder. The Polychrome Foldable Nordic Style Pot Holder is a stylish and multifunctional addition to modern kitchen setups. Designed with the sleek simplicity characteristic of Nordic aesthetics, this pot holder offers both practicality and visual appeal. It serves as a versatile storage rack, ideal for holding pot lids, cooking spoons, spatulas, and other kitchen utensils during meal prep. Its foldable design makes it especially convenient for kitchens with limited counter space, easily stowed away when not in use. The polychrome finish adds a pop of color to your kitchen, while the durable construction ensures long-term functionality. Whether you're cooking up a feast or just making a quick meal, this holder keeps your workspace tidy and your tools within reach. Perfect for those who value both form and function in their kitchen supplies, this one-piece tool enhances organization while elevating your kitchen style. Product 2. Product name: Greek Yogurt Maker. A Greek yogurt maker is a specialized kitchen accessory designed to transform regular yogurt into thick, creamy Greek yogurt by efficiently straining out excess whey. The Greek Yogurt Maker yogurt filter typically features a stainless steel strainer that provides durability, rust resistance, and easy cleaning. This tool doubles as a whey separation tool and a cheese moisture separator, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Ideal for health-conscious individuals and homemade yogurt enthusiasts, this accessory allows you to create rich, protein-packed Greek yogurt or even soft cheeses right at home. Whether you're preparing breakfast bowls, smoothies, or dips, this simple yet effective tool helps elevate your culinary creations while maintaining control over ingredients and consistency. Product 3. Product name: Multifunctional Vegetable Cutter. The 12-20 seconds in one multifunctional vegetable cutter is an essential kitchen gadget designed to simplify food preparation with its versatile and user-friendly design. This manual food chopper and slicer offers a wide range of cutting functions, including slicing, dicing, grating, shredding, julienning, and spiralizing various vegetables and fruits. Whether you're prepping potatoes for fries, onions for stir-fry, or cucumbers for salads, this all-in-one tool helps save time and effort in the kitchen. Equipped with multiple interchangeable stainless steel blades and a spacious storage container, it ensures a clean and efficient cooking process without the mess. The container collects chopped ingredients directly, keeping your countertop tidy. Many models also include handguards or safety holders to protect your fingers during use. Product 4. Product name: Electric Food Chopper. An electric food chopper is a versatile and compact kitchen gadget designed to make food preparation faster and more efficient. In the context of the above-mentioned features, this mini electric chopper serves multiple functions. It can be used as a garlic crusher, meat grinder, vegetable chopper, garlic press, and food masher all in one compact unit. Ideal for everyday cooking, this gadget simplifies the task of chopping and grinding ingredients such as garlic, onions, ginger, meat, and even baby food. Equipped with a USB rechargeable battery, it offers cordless convenience, making it highly portable and easy to use anywhere in the kitchen. The sharp stainless steel blades and powerful motor ensure quick and even chopping, while the one-touch operation provides effortless control. This compact machine is perfect for small households, quick meals, or for people who appreciate modern kitchen tools that save time and effort. Easy to clean and store, the electric food chopper is a must-have for those looking to upgrade their kitchen with smart, space-saving kitchen gadgets. Product 5. Product name: Foldable Kitchen Gas Stove Baffle Plate Board. The 2PC Foldable Kitchen Gas Stove Baffle Plate Board is a practical and heat-resistant kitchen accessory designed to enhance both cleanliness and safety while cooking. Made from durable aluminum, this baffle plate set acts as a splash-proof and heat-resistant barrier that surrounds your stove, effectively blocking oil splatter, food grease, and heat from reaching your walls, countertop, or adjacent appliances. Its foldable, accordion-style design allows it to be easily adjusted to fit around different stove sizes or stored compactly when not in use. The lightweight yet sturdy construction makes setup effortless, while its easy-to-clean surface ensures that maintenance is hassle-free. This two-piece set is ideal for busy home cooks seeking a cleaner kitchen environment, and it complements a variety of other modern kitchen tools and gadgets such as meat thermometers, portable cooktop scrapers, and mini food prep accessories. Product 6. Product name: Rotary Butter Spreader. The rotary butter spreader is a handy kitchen and baking tool designed for conveniently applying butter or cheese in an even and mess-free way. Available in configurations like 1, 2, 3 stick holders, this upright butter dispenser is crafted from durable plastic and is ideal for spreading butter over toast, corn on the cob, baking pans, or even while grilling. It holds standard-size butter or cheese sticks and uses a simple rotary mechanism that pushes the stick upwards as it's used, ensuring minimal waste and maximum control. This tool is especially useful in baking and cooking routines, where precision and cleanliness are important. The upright design keeps your countertop clean and offers easy storage. Whether you're prepping cookies, glazing buns, or adding flavor to your veggies, the rotary butter spreader helps streamline the process with efficiency and ease, making it a smart addition to any kitchen. Product 7. Product name: Titanium Cutting Boards. Titanium cutting boards, such as the kitchen stainless board 3.0 for steel-thickened double-sided food-grade portable fruit meat chopping board, are an innovative upgrade from traditional wood or plastic alternatives. These cutting boards are crafted from high-grade stainless steel, often 304 or incorporating titanium coatings, for exceptional durability, hygiene, and performance in the kitchen. Key features and benefits. Durability and strength. Titanium and 304 stainless steel materials offer high resistance to wear, corrosion, and deformation. They are built to last much longer than standard boards, even with daily use. Double-sided design. Many of these cutting boards feature a double-sided surface, one smooth side for fruits or baked goods and a textured side for meats or tougher prep tasks. This prevents flavor cross-contamination and adds versatility. Food-grade safety. These boards are made from food-grade metals, ensuring they are non-toxic, odor-resistant, and antibacterial. They won't absorb liquids or harbor bacteria like wooden or plastic boards can. Easy to clean. Thanks to the non-porous surface, these boards are simple to rinse and wipe clean, making them ideal for quick prep and mess-free cooking. Product 8. Product name: Mini Slow Juicer. The Mini Slow Juicer portable electric juice extractor is a compact yet powerful appliance designed for modern, health-conscious lifestyles. Ideal for making fresh lemon, fruit, and vegetable juices, this MiniPro device operates with a slow masticating technology, which helps preserve nutrients and reduce oxidation compared to traditional high-speed juicers. Its portable size makes it perfect for small kitchens, travel, dorm rooms, or quick juicing on the go. In addition to juicing, this versatile appliance can also make ice cream, offering a fun and healthy alternative for homemade desserts. The easy-clean design ensures hassle-free maintenance, while the user-friendly operation makes it accessible for beginners and experienced users alike. With its multifunctional capability, the Mini Slow Juicer combines the benefits of a juice extractor and a mini blender, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen setup focused on wellness and convenience. Product 9. Product name: A Commercial Dough Sheeter. A commercial dough sheeter is an essential kitchen appliance designed for food service establishments that require efficient and consistent dough preparation. In the context of the commercial dough sheeter automatic dough roller, rolling dumpling pasta maker with one mold, this machine stands out as a versatile, time-saving tool, ideal for high-volume kitchens such as bakeries, restaurants, and catering services. Overview. This commercial dough sheeter is an automatic dough roller equipped with a single mold attachment, making it suitable for producing uniformly rolled dough for dumplings, pasta, flatbreads, and other pastries. It flattens dough to precise thicknesses quickly and evenly, ensuring consistency in size and texture, which is critical for both cooking performance and presentation. Key features typically include adjustable thickness settings to suit various dough types and recipes. Heavy-duty construction, often made of stainless steel, ensuring durability and easy cleaning. Safety features like emergency stops or protective covers to ensure operator safety. Efficient motorized rollers for continuous operation, minimizing manual labor. Product 10. Product name Foldable Food Mesh Cover. The foldable food mesh cover is a practical and versatile kitchen accessory designed to protect food from insects such as flies and mosquitoes while keeping meals fresh and breathable. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, this pop-up umbrella-style cover is perfect for shielding fruits, vegetables, and prepared meals during picnics, BBQs, or while dining al fresco. Crafted with fine mesh material, the cover allows air to circulate freely, preventing condensation and preserving food texture and flavor. Its foldable and lightweight design ensures convenient storage and portability, making it an essential item for camping trips, garden parties, or everyday kitchen use. The pop-up mechanism allows for easy setup and takedown in seconds, while the sturdy frame ensures stability even in breezy conditions. Product 11. Product name French Fries Cutter. A French fries cutter is a kitchen tool designed for efficiently cutting potatoes into uniform strips, perfect for making crispy fries. Typically made from stainless steel, the cutter ensures durability and resistance to rust, making it ideal for frequent use. The design often features a gentle push mechanism, which allows you to easily slice the potato into even strips with minimal effort. This tool is especially useful for those who enjoy making homemade French fries, offering a convenient and time-saving way to prepare the potatoes before frying. The stainless steel construction ensures it can withstand the pressure of cutting through tough potatoes, while also being easy to clean and maintain. Whether you're preparing a small batch or a large quantity, a French fries cutter streamlines the process, making it a must-have tool for kitchen enthusiasts and home cooks. Product 12. Product name Kitchen Creative Silicone Folding Funnel. The Kitchen Creative Silicone Folding Funnel is a versatile and space-saving kitchen gadget designed for a variety of household tasks. Its retractable, silicone construction allows it to collapse down to a compact size, making it easy to store without taking up much space. The funnel comes in a sleek white and gray color combination, which fits seamlessly into modern kitchen decor. This handy tool is ideal for transferring liquids, powders, or small ingredients into bottles, jars, or containers without the mess. Its flexible silicone material ensures durability, and the folding design makes it perfect for those with limited storage in their kitchen. It's a practical accessory for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen tools while maintaining a tidy space. Product 13. Product name Heavy Duty Stainless Steel Potato Masher. The heavy-duty stainless steel potato masher and ricer is a robust and versatile kitchen tool designed to simplify the process of making perfectly mashed potatoes and other soft vegetables. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this durable masher ensures long-lasting performance and can withstand heavy use, making it ideal for both everyday cooking and larger meal prep. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing for easy mashing without straining your hands or wrists. This masher and ricer combo functions as both a traditional potato masher and a ricer, providing you with the flexibility to choose your preferred texture for mashed potatoes. Whether you prefer a coarse mash or a smooth, fluffy consistency, this tool can help you achieve the perfect result. It's also great for mashing other vegetables like carrots, turnips, or even fruits like bananas for baby food or smoothies. Product 15. Product name Biolo Mix Kitchen Food Stand Mixer. The Biolo Mix Kitchen Food Stand Mixer is a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance designed to enhance your cooking and baking experience. With its 1200W motor, it offers the strength needed to handle a variety of tasks, from mixing dough to whipping cream, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned chefs. The mixer features a 6L capacity, allowing you to prepare large batches of ingredients at once, which is perfect for families or when entertaining guests. One of its standout features is the 6-speed settings, giving you complete control over your mixing, whisking, and kneading. Whether you're making dough, whipping egg whites, or blending ingredients, the adjustable speeds allow you to fine-tune the mixer's power to suit your needs. The quiet motor ensures that the mixing process is smooth without creating excessive noise, making it a good choice for those who prefer a quieter kitchen environment. Product 16. Product name Kitchen Vegetable Peeler. A kitchen vegetable peeler is an essential tool in any kitchen, offering versatility for various food prep tasks. The stainless steel melon planer double head peeler is a specific type of peeler designed for multiple functions. Made from durable stainless steel, it is ideal for peeling fruits and vegetables like potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and melons, with a focus on ease and precision. The double head design enhances its functionality, allowing users to switch between peeling and slicing without needing a separate tool. This type of peeler is particularly useful for tasks that require both efficiency and accuracy, making it perfect for everyday cooking needs. The multiple function aspect of the peeler means it can also handle tasks like removing skin from fruits, preparing julienne slices, and even trimming away excess rind from melons or other fruits. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort and ease of use, reducing strain during food preparation. Ideal for both professional kitchens and home cooks, it simplifies meal prep while ensuring a clean and precise cut with minimal effort.